Hey guys, today's video I want to show you how to back up your iPhone. To back up your iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's tap on settings on this place. So once you tap on settings, it will take you to this page on the settings on your iPhone. So once it brings you to this page, what I want you to do on here, I want you to tap on your Apple ID by tapping on your name at the top. So let's tap on Apple ID. So once you tap on your Apple ID, it will bring you to this page. So once it brings you to this page, I want you to check the middle here. You are going to see where it says iCloud. I want you to tap on that iCloud. So once you tap on that iCloud, it will bring you to this page. So once it brings you to this page, you want to scroll down. Once you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see where it says iCloud backup. So I want you to tap on that iCloud backup. So once you tap on that iCloud backup, it will take you to this page. So once you land on this page, the very first thing I want you to do on here, if you look closely, you are going to see where it says back up this iPhone. I want you to turn that on. Make sure it is showing green. Once it is showing green, it means it is turned on. So to now back up this iPhone, if you check under it, you're going to see where it says back up now. You just want to tap on that back up now and your iPhone will start the backup process. So guys, this is how you can actually back up your iPhone very easily. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.